Welcome back, my people, to the channel. You know it's your boy, Director J. And today, my people, we're gonna kick off the vlog at a place called Markham in Eglinton. Alright, my people, and people, thank you, thank you a lot for you subscribe to the channel, share the videos, share my message. Like I said again, people, anything I speak is not facts. I see some comments, people saying you're acting like you're speaking facts. No, I'm speaking from my own experience. So that to me is facts. To me, in my own experience, it's not your experience, my people. It's my experience, and I'm just telling you what I went through. One, building the house. Two, growing up in the ghetto. Remember, people, I never born a foreign, I born a Spanish town. And this part of Spanish I come from, one place that we call Central Village. Alright, my people. So me can tell people my experience of growing up in the ghetto and why I would never go back go build in our ghetto. Because I see people come and do it and dead. You understand? And that's what I'm saying to my two eyes them. So my experience me I talk about. So I don't want people to be up in them feelings. And that's like me I look down and ghetto people. No, my father still live there. My auntie, my brother, everybody still live there. My grandma, everybody. But would I go back to the ghetto? When me leave foreign, for go build in the ghetto. No, come on, man. Come on, says. Me just say 90% away. Not going to the ghetto to go build back. No matter what. You understand? You go find some way, somehow, to go buy a land and take your time and build, like what me I do right now. You understand? So just that me I try to come from people and don't get it twisted or in your feelings of what me I try to say about the ghetto. No, I'm not saying nothing bad. Me I one of the youth who I try to promote Jamaica on a positive role. Listen, people, easy. If you get 100,000 subscribers, if I come right here, and talk about the news and the killing rate, just like a lot of these YouTubers now, You don't see a lot of positive YouTubers. All of them people are out for money grabbing. You understand? Them come on YouTube, boom. Them channel get only okay, 4 man, boom, shot and dead, and blah blah blah. Oh, this man died over there, this, that. Boom, everyone's gonna click on it. But if I want to say, building them house, or what we can do for help the crime rate, or showing my lifestyle here and talking about here, like I said, people, this is gonna be a mixed channel. I don't want to come on here and just think all of the content them are gonna be about building or everything like that. Some content will be about my personal life, my content in Jamaica, my content in Canada. You understand? And some of the content I like to do are showing off the places in Canada where people haven't been in a long time or coming to Jamaica or coming from the world. You understand? So that's why you see me go around, I show the parks them, and I go start show some of the neighborhoods that's in Scarborough, Toronto, Canada. Alright, my people? So stay tuned. So right now we're there at Markington Square, and that's by Markham in Eglinton, the famous Markham at Eglinton. A whole heap of people probably know what Markham at Eglinton. Yes, River used to be the crime lord area. But I'm going to turn on the camera and I can see what I go on. Now finish up the inside part them are there right now. They done cast up the bottom them part light everything. Cast up place kind of wet, but with that rain today, so the place wet up. So they done cast out the middle part them and stuff right now. So all that middle part get cast out. So I just them go around right now for finish up. So that's the middle piece them put my foundation now on the walls and things for go up and now since start down this already. So tomorrow then it's done up in the middle part them. So we take it back to next week again and then start go up. Still have some gravel and sand. We have beer blocks them around there, so that's the next part I block them. Yeah, so the drum right that's a bus. I'll get to fix tomorrow though. And this is how I block them. Around there, so we block up the beer block right there, so there's so much block we have. This is it. And beer block yes again. And stuff. So mix inside. Yeah. I mix right there, so my middle part. Everything cast up now. I'm ready to go again now. So now just in the middle part them now, the partition walls them. In the middle part them already there. Column up. The stuff them you can't see it already. So now just so them I do up first. So by tomorrow we'll come back now. So all of them party I go done up. All of the partition wall them. Then money then start go up for everything and they cut out them and everything. Alright. So at least you can see a bigger view, a better view of it right now. So I saw it I go move. I go down. When I make movement start work. Sun I come back out there. But yeah, I'll cut down the tree as soon as them start reach up. So I will cut down the branches soon. You see it, Darby? I will cut down the branches. Yeah. Yeah, I'll cut down that too. You know, add a couple more rows and finish up right there. So. And then up this to the left. And we're done up right, this is done. You know, so yeah, move still. We have 2 barrels, I'll just buy the next barrel and put it down there. So we have 2 barrels and a couple drums. See what below drum they will get to. We just full up all of them here with water. Tomorrow the water man come. So we're not gonna issue with water for the rest of the week and so on. So we're gonna make it work and get everything done this week. Alright. Sign right here, some people, and this is the square that we're in right now. Yes, my people. So today, people, what we're gonna talk about, we're gonna talk about blocking up the house. Remember I've saying, people, we buy the land, I'm telling you, if we go buy the land, in my opinion and my way, how I did it, not the right way, not the wrong way. It's my way, my people. So I'm not gonna tell you not to do or what to do, you understand? But it's just my own experience. So let me put that a disclaimer also. Everything you hear upon the channel, say upon the channel, or hear me say, it's my own experience of how I did it. Okay, my people? So please don't bash me in the comment section. I want to continue coming still, But me just tell you to say, I'm my own experience. Okay, people? And so I have some drone shots at the neighborhood here to people. But yes, my people, because the battery operator got dead. So when it dead, I got dead out. So yes, people, so right now we're at the Tim Martin, famous Tim Martin. And this is at Cedar Drive and Eglinton. Like I say, Markham and Eglinton, we are going to walk and show you how it look over there. Back in the days, it wasn't there's a place called Metro. It wasn't a place called Metro, it was a place called Dominion. And if a lot of man know what come from Markham and Eglinton back in the days, knew how Markham and Eglinton used to run hot. Yes, man, when we drop here, 2001, 2006, 2005, them say them have the biggest bus, drug bus and gang bus. Because over used to have a lot of Bloods and Crips, if you guys remember them gangs there and stuff like that, my people. Yes, man. But yeah, man, people, this is Markham and Eglinton right here. Just a show off the little area. I'm going to go up at the famous round building where it always in front of the Money Mart, right there up top. But turn back the camera up on me now, my people. And yeah, so now my people, we reach blocking up the dream house right now, my people. So like me say, we talk about the black machine in the last episode and tell you if you don't even want to buy a black machine or buy a black. Right now, you can see say, I buy the black machine and stuff like that. Right? You can do the same or you cannot do the same. You understand, my people? So now, you dig your foundation, you steel up, blockings we start read. So in the video we're going to insert some clippings of how we block up the place. Make sure you're there, people that watch the workman and block the place properly, Because remember, blocking is a serious process and them not do it properly, and line up your thing proper with card and stuff and level and everything like that, They must spoil your thing. And remember, blocking up your place, interlock block, Not block pan block. That not work. So one of the day them go over there and one of the laborer, they learn how to block up And him block up about couple almost 2-3 row, two row block. For each other stack up. And the contractor have to come back, the mason have to come back and say, no sir. And that's how you do it, you have to interlock block over lock, and if that block they can't fit, they say you have to cut it and put it right there so it like it's like you lock it. You understand? Properly. You understand me I try to say? So make sure you did it. I watch them do your job properly, you know, people, because like I said, you go back there and see a lean building. And you don't want that. I'm gonna go there and I go down in the video and explain why I say so, because sometimes you when you're not there, you not see what really going on, and sometimes when your mind is all over the place, people when you build a house, make sure your mind just there. Palm building a house when you go to Jamaica. If you want you like me, no make no girl there Jamaica upon your head, or no woman over here upon your head, or you go down there and a party upon your head, or no house upon your head, no house, or no car upon your head, no family stress upon your head. If you are a girl, same thing. You understand? Put your mind in one place and focus on what you do, because like me say, if you're not on these contractors, my people, you go down there and see a lean house and a year money spent for it. You understand? And that happened to me. I don't like me say a lean house though, but like, I have to complain and tell them, say, listen, this is not straight, I have to take it off. But now that costs me more money and time. You understand? But if I was there at the beginning of it, that would have never happened. So that's all I'm trying to let you guys know. You understand? Alright, my people. We're there right at Markham and Eglinton Square right now. This is called right at Markham and Eglinton. And I'm going to show you the famous round building and stuff like that. So now we're reaching now, guys. So the back part of this part of column. So now one I room them right there, so you know. So 7 more row for reach at top. Okay. 7 more row we are over, so that I'll put up 7 more row and that done up and top up. Right, so 7 more row again and we're done. Now middle, we'll go up. So in your search probably there now. Yeah, in here so we're there right now. I want a bedroom them. In here so I want a bedroom them. Over here so now. That's how big it is. It's a washroom with a closet. It's a 10 by 15. That's how you got Abby. It's a 10 by 15. Right, that's in the middle part. That's right in there. Right, that's the way barn door that I go now. So I'm telling them that I need them there. Sliding door, just slide right over. The column them there I put up right now. It's a 1 room. So right so now I'll be the doorway to go in at the living room area. So right so now I living room and kitchen. So over your side then I'll go be the living room side to everything. Right so the TV and thing. I put one window right so right in between the column. Our next window over the right so now over here so I'll go be the kitchen side. All of the wall, one long kitchen, right? And then right spot me I stand up I'll be one, but right so I'll be one of them aisle. And then right so I'll have the settee and couch and more space so to do whatever. Over this so now again bathroom and closet again area, and that's the next bedroom. We're going to have a king size bed. Whole heap of dirt we're going to need for block up for thing flat it off though, because you can see it's set. Alright, this is the doorway, you know. This is where I go from compared to you see the level of the land. So a whole heap of dirt I must say. But that's why I try to say I cut out the pool and get all of them dirty, but I still I want dirt now for thingy up. All of this and level it off. That's why I put up the front wall and level it off properly so we have one flat slope along. By the time we're done, but I will heap a truckload and thing that so I have to see what the budget is to make that work. So that's why I cut out the pool same time, just because I need the dirt from it also. But yeah, so we didn't know. So we did. But from right the mango tree there to come up here, so we're gonna start build, cut out the wall part and cut out the wall, go straight down and make one wall way down the street for you see 99 feet like we say, right? Go down and thing and then roll a some more catch it up on one level. Same like up there's a level down, all of this more level out on one level, so a whole heap of dirt have to come in play. But me just a level out the part of it now, down there, so can stay until we're ready to make the next part, if anything, down the line. But for up here, so need to level out. So and then right, so gonna be a driveway, come straight down, then part of a driveway, so people can just come in and park their car way up here. So if anything, right, this has to all of the parties power stand up or be one big driveway to drive in, and then right, so gonna be the pool and thing. This Friday I have to come back up here and buy up the board them so they can start box up and column up too. You see them start showing the stuff them in I block them. So today I will day that them are gonna do that and that I got done for today. So Friday when I come back the place must way up now. And then I have to bring the column box them Friday. For black row now. I need more cement and gravel and thing, but we make that work, you know. My peeps, yes my peeps, we're back. And this is Markham and Eglinton, my people. That's the Money Mart over there. And that's the round building over there. This is used to be the crime lord building, them call it, you know, my people. And you can see, this is the local plaza over here also. Yes, my people. So, I'm going to wait till the light change, because I'm going to run across the road and get lit down. But this is Markham and Eglinton. The famous Markham and Eglinton. A lot of people probably not see it in a long time, because a lot of people, they're back home. Some people tired out and now want to come back to this damn place, you know, my people. You know, look on the seats, it's hard to live here, you know. I know it'll get even harder, my peeps. Turn back the camera, my people. Yes, my people. So, yes, this is Markham and Eglinton. Like I said, this channel is showing a lot of Canadian footage. I'm going to be a lot of Jamaican footage when I'm in Jamaica. But I can't stop the channel and I just put the Jamaican content. And then when I come here, it gets stagnant and can't produce anything. You understand what I'm trying to say? So I have to look for a different way how to build this channel and start it from ground up, from the beginning. So people who subscribe know who them I get and what them I get from before them subscribe. I mean, I want them think like I bamboozle them and start just post be a house video. Then all of a sudden house video stop make. And then them happen what one. You understand my peeps? But this is the famous round building right here, my people. This used to be the Jugs building. One time I got to school in about 2007, 2008. One of my classmates them. So yo bro, you know why I never came to school early, bro? The fucking cops, they kicked out my door, bro. So they're looking for drugs from my dad. This and that. I remember we are youth too, you know, people, but like me say, Markham and Eglinton, man. Like this, alright, that's my drop. I'm reach Canada, my people. Like, them I tell me, say, oh, this place is bad and this is a gangster place. My people, I live here all my life. I never have a problem with nobody from here. I must say one time I probably get in an argument with somebody, honestly. But I'm gonna try to go into the center why this place was bad, because it's like, I don't know what they call it. It's like a complex. And I don't know what they call the complex there. If you're in America, but I want complex so inside, so one way in and one way out if you go drive. I mean, I say if you go run from police, but I try to sneak up people in and then I like go over there, you know, because you don't know the man, you must still do them here. But you don't know. But it's like a complex, but now they might change out the building, so the one you know nice and pretty, yeah? And the one you know nice and pretty. But them soon change them out, because I think this is a community housing. When I say community housing, it's cheaper and rent. I don't think this one is, because you can see it, and I think probably part of it is though. But yes, some people may go in now to the complex. And it's again with the Markham and Eglinton, my people. Now look how kids feel right here, so you see, we don't know what they call it, because there's building, four-side buildings around. Now one way in for your car them, and one way out. But see my people, I think they might do renovation now, my people. For change up the place, you can see it, you know. You understand? Yes, man. I'm not go up there, so I'm youth over there, so. Like I say, my people, I don't really mix with negative energy, you know. I don't want nobody come say anything to me. So I'm not going to walk, no, man. So, yes, my people. So, that's my point of it, but I'm going to show you some drone footage going over Markham and Eglinton so when you can see while we talk and things like that. And I'm also going to insert the process of blocking up the house when I was there making slow far me there. Remember people, this is last year content videos that you're seeing in the video. The house is way further than that right now as you see it. You understand? But if you go up on my YouTube, my Instagram, a lot of 2 subscribers come over my Instagram and message me, telling they can message me anytime, just send me a voice note because it's going to be too hard for you to type out anything. You understand? So now you can always message me over this. So like me say, I promote my Instagram because my Instagram is more me, more my work because I do photography and music video in Toronto. You understand? So if you want to check out some of them stuff there or you're in that content, you check out my page and subscribe if you like. But right now we are walking around to the backside on a street. Can't remember the name of the street. Yeah, Center Street. Same place around Markham and Eglinton, man. And yes, you know a little bit more, talk a little bit more and end out the video. Like I said, this battery I did enough people, so the video you might be a little bit shorter than previous video. You understand? Yes, man. So right now, yes, we reach. On it now, the cut out the max start and stuff. You see how far I reach up right now. You see inside of the house them now. Look a bit better. You can see up at the room, I look a bit better right now. Now you can walk through. See it almost half him there now, so you can see halfway we reach. But you need to buy the plyboard them now, but the plyboard them come up here so about almost 6 grand them want a plyboard fast, so I can't do that. So I have to go wait till I go back down to a village in a Spanish town to buy them for 135 and see if we can get a better deal over so and then bring them up. I will see this is 2,000 block. The place I take already. Just halfway. So I still have to bring up our next 1,000 block to come up and get it done. So I bring up our next 1,000. We need to get our next gravel and sand over this one, more cement again and the plyboard them. So I will leave. I want it to cost more and more still, but all we are gonna do, we just have to get it done. If we just get that done with the pool, me alright and block up the front and good. Even if we can't afford the things that inside, do that local by local, but at least everything done. You know what I mean? So that's the way it goes still, that's the way it takes us. Simple as that. So load me can say right now because I'm going in the last bit of what I have here now to make it work. So I still make it work. That's what I'm saying now. So still up, man. So that's how the place look now, man. You can walk over there and show now a bit better. You can see far up the gun and down there washroom part of one thing. See, shoot done up to one thing and now too. I'm out here show cement in I column them too. Right, this is the day then. Column them up so far reach right now still. So soon reach up there so still and finish up, man. I make it work so the bedroom and thing again and you know tomorrow and then rest of block then them have left over there so them block there right there so left. So about one next 150 to 200 around the place. Them just gonna use block up. So by Monday we need to bring the rest of block them and the board them and everything so you can start column up properly and do what them I do quick and swift because time I go and money I go down so we have to hurry it up, you know. But yeah, that's where we reach today for the week. Yeah. By next week I up it there and you can see a more better cut out and everything with it. You see it, so I go still and make it work. Make it work too, we can get it done too. Not stress about it right now. But we just want to fit up, cast up and done. I start cut out the pool part right there so we can use the dirt full up. Because you can switch by the foundation line there, but if you go see, you look down, see you have to column it, we have to pull it out back so it's all one flat. So we have to make the front part up there so to know. So when the dirt kick back on it, the front part with the wall, we know say we're good. But yeah, so the place took around someone still. So I say now, still I make it work, man. Big place, you know. Got cloud over our head. Big mango tree there we still have to cut down. Cause they over the property where we need the place to build, so still I go up, you know. So we might get tomorrow. We might get somewhere and get it done. I remember, you know, people them used to call around here so they get you know. People not used to want to come here so none at all. When you drop here, you know, people, I say, yo, Markham and Eglinton, I live in us. Markham and Eglinton. It's like you live in a, you live which part of a bad place of Jamaica? Like you live in a ghetto of Jamaica, or Augustown where them are, or some part downtown when you used to have the bad crime. Because me tell a man, say, yo, my bridging come from jungle. Huh, jungle? Me not got jungle. Tell a man, say, yo, you know, so a big lane, my cousin live big lane. Me nah go there so. Or if you tell a man say, you know, say a Jones Avenue cartel sing about, man say them place say bad. Eh, people man, me should tell you. But yeah, them say this are the ghetto, you know, my people. This look like ghetto to you. Like a church, yeah. I just did a wedding over here. There were wedding shoots over here a couple weeks ago also. This is the church they use. And we took the picture and video for them. Yes, my people, we do all of them content there too, man. All of them project there. You understand? But yeah, this ain't called Markham and Eglinton, my people. But like I go back on the home project right now, my people. If you not start build it, start build from now. Remember, you know, people, place I get worse and worse and prices I go higher and higher, sky high. You understand? Get up, fly go to Jamaica, drive around, go look for your land, build your place and fly back out. Put it on Airbnb and make some money. Simple as that. And if you have money and if you don't have the time like that, Kingston will build up some nice apartments, you know, my people. When I say nice, you know, nice, hey, Lord, you saw me look nice. We nicer than me. About 100 times nicer than me, the place to look. I have people, rooftop pool. Now I build up down there, you know, hey, people, if I could give you one advice, me I give you this. Invest from now, my people. Go buy a piece of land, one, and if you don't have the time to build up your own dream house, you buy one of them apartments. Big people, me I go buy one, you know. As soon as me make enough money or down payment, because me now can afford a 30 million or 35 million or $40 million house after me done build this dream house right now. I'm going to find money from, you know, how hard Toronto is right now, my people. You know how hard Canada is. God. And we remember again, you know, people, like I keep telling you people. Also over here, we're trying to live at two places. We are trying to live at Jamaica and we are trying to live at Canada. You know how hard it is. Only Jamaicans over there most time. No, only just try to live at Jamaica. We are trying to live two places. So twice as hard for we, you know, my people, but our problem that we have to angle it somewhere somehow, right? But yeah, man, people, I'm going to take in the content, man. And like I say, I go on the next side. How this? The next side of Markham, right here now. Show now Markham and Eglinton look compared to how Markham and Eglinton used to be back in the days. I do an interview with a virgin from Markham and Eglinton. Him run the place from before. We done back in them times there. And I tell me how much man fly out, how much man get deported. So that was one of the dreams to say, you know what? When we do a Markham and Eglinton video, to show the man who get deported and see how the place look. Say me feel like if I get deported from Canada. But I want somebody to show me the place look or if me get deported from America. You understand? But like my batch I got dead to them people. I end the vlog and continue recording what else record we get.